Hey guys, and welcome back again. Hey, this video that I'm making right now, it's going to be exciting. You know why? Because I'm going to teach you I'm going to explain to you how you must have a bank account for cryptocurrencies. Okay? So right now, I'm going to help you find out how to join a cryptocurrency bank account, and it's called Binance. All right. I know there's one that's just recently opened up in New Zealand. Isn't that amazing? Because that's where I live. Anyway, my name's Lily, and welcome back to my video. Thank you again for joining me. And I've done a few videos already about cryptocurrencies because that is the future money, and that's where we must be. We must be ready. We must be ready for it. So, anyway, it's all new to me, and that's why I wanted to share it with you. Okay, this was introduced to me through someone I'm very close to, my husband, of course. And so, it's taken me a while to really learn how to understand cryptocurrencies, right? So all I know right now, for sure, what I know for sure right now is cryptocurrencies are the different exchange rates in the cryptocurrency world system. Whereas you have in the countries, there is different countries, different currencies, right? While the cryptos are very similar, right? There's got so many different coins right now, and we need to be in to receive, to be ready when this is the future money. This is where it's going. The money is just going to phase out soon. I believe it is anyway. And the cryptocurrency, I wish I was there when it first started. But anyway, going on to talk about going off the subject right now, but for someone who's new like myself and understanding the system, Binance is a bank account. Like you've got a bank account, you bank your money in. So with cryptocurrencies, you need a bank account to bank your cryptos in. So right now, I have um, joined with Binance and BitBuy. So I wanted to share with you because I've already done a few videos of how to mine some cryptos, all right, with TRX. And so with those videos that I've done, I wanted to come back with this one to explain to you how to join Binance, which is a bank for cryptocurrencies. Okay, so I'm going to log in to my account. This is what you must do also is join under me. So there are links under my videos. Okay, so just click onto them and you will see how to join the Binance the bank. So if you will just check out my videos after you watch them, that all my videos have these links under them, like how to join Binance company and the bank, and how to join other products that I have introduced. Okay, so firstly, I will show you this is how it looks like with me joining it anyway. So I'm going to go into my log into because I'm already in. And so just signing into the Binance bank account that I have, platform, whatever you like, system, anything like. So this is what it's going to look like once you're in. It's just showing you what my one looks like. Okay, right now I don't have a lot, to show you, but I've just started joining, and this is all in US dollars. So for now, this is what you're going to see, everything up here. And I tell you what, there's always someone to chat with and ask questions to as well. But this is what your bank account is going to look like. So when you sign up with them, all these things will come through. Here you go. Isn't that amazing? So this is what your Binance, once you join, you're going to start up, and then you're going to have all this here, and mine is New Lily. But all these things are pretty simple, isn't it? So also you're going to pick, so once you join Binance, right, you need to buy coins. The cryptocurrency coins, you can't come in here into the Binance with just your cash. You need to see now, this is a Bitcoin that you can see there, right there. So I'm going to take you to where the cryptocurrency prices are. and show you what all the crypto coins. There you go. You've got Ethereum, big T, all these here are the coins in cryptocurrency, and you just pick. But the best way how to pick them, I'm going to take out my photo along here. The best way to pick these is when they're down. Okay, so you must buy cryptocurrency coins to trade with on your Binance account. Does that make sense to you? So there's some Dogecoin, or there's some coins up here. I have a few of these ones as well. So you have a choice. There's so many. Okay, so that's what you're going to do, and it's so simple, isn't it? I mean, I hope I'm explaining it to you in a simple way. So firstly, you set up your Binance, and if you want some to trade on cryptocurrencies, you must buy the coins. Your money, your cash now becomes cryptocurrencies. Okay, it's no longer, you're no longer dealing with cash in the Binance platform. Okay, so that's all I need to explain for now, guys. It's pretty simple. All these things should be set up for you once you start in mining for coins. It's going to be really exciting and wonderful journey, something different, something new. And I think it's good to learn something different every day. So I hope that you will get something out of these videos that I'm sharing with you guys. Thank you again for coming and joining me. I hope I haven't bored you with this one, but I hope it explains to you about cryptocurrencies, especially if you're new at it. So thanks, guys, for joining me. We'll see you again on my next video. Please subscribe to my page and leave a comment if you like as well. So, okay, we'll see you next time on my next video. Bye for now and good luck. Cheers.